freshers.
Freshers.
20 November. Cái có anh classmate tabu galal with department ni. Bên mong cái mày á. Cái sừng tabu was back ya mana tam sana kau kurang kan. Cái tabu sừng DJ nanya thằng này DJ Shaan phải này ini. Cái sừng program nó kisah misal punung này nó rồi với này tụi này blog nó hay cái nó. Okay, let's say nó sound khai man to khana yang bekat backside đó. Cô giờ cô yang bekat nó. Mie Novatos ni fresh asma ke tini bird ini DJ phải này. Okay. Tini 20 November 6 cement time rồi nó có khai pan nó sừng thằng này rồi. 11:30 hay cái 12:30 time này. So busuk doroti aku doroti tong thok nó punung tang này hay cái này tong đi. Chini blog nó cái tay घंटे को घुसा मार दो सब्सक्राइब पे घुसा घुसा टिंग 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 करके ये रहा मेरा दोस्त विनय और ये रहा मेरा दोस्त बिकुल ये मूड लगा के बैठा है तो नाई तो नंबर रखा ना नाई के ना ताबू बस नोटा मुझे व्हाट्सएप करो लगे दिनी डीजे वो ताम के लांका ना मुशादी बाहर ना पके आके एक्चुअली जूता से ही कुनाला Ông juta sky sih itu, masa zaman nama ya saya sering tahu di sana, enjoy kayak nih. Bye night dong di, the Icfai University.
Academy पे. Suruh kita lagi.
Binay, जाएगा चलो
So now let's have something different, something rocking and popping. What say freshers? So let's go on the stage for Sakandi Burma with the rocking Western song performance. Nobody else but my love. He's the one who's so let me hear you. To pick up the phone, you know he's gonna calling us rock on and on. You don't let him in, you have to kick him out again. 3, don't make sense, you know you're gonna wake up and start in the morning. You're under head, you ain't got to know for her. I got rules, I got them. And no, I don't wanna talk. Tell myself I'm better off. So don't bother ask me how I do. Still miss you in the light. Now euphoria's highs. The party's never.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Dukmali Devarma from Ambassa. Currently, I'm pursuing BA English Honors in Icfai University, and my hobbies are dancing. Thank you so much.
We are going to disclose the result. What about the result?
So, there are 6 awards. We will start with Best Smile, Mr. Personality, Best Walk, Male, Best Walk, Female, and at the end, Mr. and Miss Novatos 2K21. So for that, we would like to request Kalita Devarma to give the Best Smile Award. I request you to please come to the stage.
Can we have Kalati Devarma on the stage, please?
To give the award for the Best Smile. Ready, guys?
Ready for DJ Shaan?
I cannot hear you. Are you ready?
Soon we're gonna start the night with DJ Shaan and DJ Boys in the air.
Do you have the energy?
Novatos 2K21.
Say it's better, but hey, look at me, move on, me move on. It felt like I got choked.
Can I have a big round of applause?
I wish I never smiled.
Next up, we have the award for Mr. Personality.
And DJ Shaan will be right here very soon. The stage is getting ready for the DJ night.
I am ready!
DJ Boys in the air.
So far, I know you by heart. Underneath all these scars, I see who you really are. Even in the dark, I know you by heart.
I've always been afraid of cracks beneath the walls. They show my pain, so I try to paint them all. You take me to a time when everything was so simple. Can I just go back to that? We fight together with the bond that kept it high. You hold me up to stay above the rising tide. When things are getting heavy, all I do is close my eyes and I just go back to that. I hear it in my brain what you used to say. As I run, we've been through, you can find it with me. All your baggage, you can lay it at my feet. And all your secrets, I'ma lock away for keeps. A million miles away and I still feel you next to me. Can we just go back to that? And when I see your face, you know I'm gonna say, after all we've been through, you got me, I got you. Living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train going anywhere. Just a city boy, born and raised in South Detroit. He took the midnight train going anywhere. A singer in a smoky room, I smell wine and cheap perfume. For a smile they can share the night. It goes on and on and on and on. Strangers. Put your hands up, hands up, hands up. 1, 2, 3, let's go.
May we ask for your attention while our cabin crew demonstrates the safety features on this flight. Please raise both hands up in the sky. Now slowly wave from the left to the right. Left, right, 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 left.